Now, this stock is called Techtronic Industries. I cover it as one member expressed interest in this stock, and please feel free. From time to time, you can write to me if there is a stock or a market that is really of interest to you. I'll be happy to include it whenever I can. I will do that for you. We also learn from each other's ideas, and you will see that this stock is a powerhouse. It's an absolute powerhouse. It's a stock that is quoted in Hong Kong. The quote is 0669, okay, or 669. I repeat, it's called Techtronic Industries, and the pattern here, going back to the bottom of 2008, is presenting a mind-boggling advance. It came down from less than 2, almost touching 1 here on a spike, and it's looking at almost a 30 bagger here since the bottom of 2008, and it's not done. It's not done by any means. It's definitely looking higher very nicely here. I'm taking this to be a 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 3, and that's a fourth wave. The fourth wave has been with us for almost 1 year. It's resembling actually the structure that we have seen in the Russell 2000. Yeah, you remember that inverse head and shoulders. So as far as I'm concerned, this is heading higher. We have the 50 moving average holding support here for a long time. Do you see? And let's now have a look at the daily. And inverse head and shoulders is crystal clear here. Do you see that? Crystal clear situation. That's the 200 moving average running up in conjunction with the 50 is clearing the way for the bull. But the 200 is unmistakably the backbone of this rally. You also have this support line. You may want to introduce it in your chart if you follow this one. Do you see? It's pretty important. But the message is we would have further upside here. Of course, not on the scale of what we have seen before, but there is definitely an upside here. We're looking at that is roughly 18 to maybe 10 points, maybe as much as 10 points from current level. Well, it's nothing to be ashamed of, about 30%. When it's ready to start running up, we will go into the fifth leg on this scale, on the black scale. Yes, let me go back here to the weekly because I can't contain all this price data. Given that this has been going on almost for 1 year, the move that will start is not going to be small. It's going to be an extensive move. And if I'm getting my analysis right here, the first leg took 2 years. So we're talking about a mega move in the making here. This is a very solid launching pad, which you see here. And I want to actually show you, as I was examining this chart, I was looking at the fundamentals. You know, I always like to look at the fundamentals of things because it's just so important. And why not avail yourself from extra information that could be so important? This is the quote from the FT of this company. As you can see, it is priced in Hong Kong dollars, and just look at the amazing financials of this company. It runs through all their financials. It gives you here, for example, revenue the last 5 years. Look, net income, even more impressive, very impressive, tripled in 5 years. And then dividend per share, tripled in 5 years. Astonishing. It's one of the most astonishing dividend growth rates I've seen. This is look, over 5 years you have 31%, 31.78% dividend growth. It's set to continue. Looks very likely. Earning per share, again, almost tripling. Yeah, tripling. And then cash flow, not bad. Cash also trending higher. Total assets doing very well. Total debt also doing well because we are on a trend down. If we continue in 2014 to see lower levels, this is absolutely painting an ideal situation here. This company is in the business of electronics. Yes, here's the business profile. They are they own quite a few known brands. You can learn more about it if you're interested. Right here, you see it's an investment holding company. The company is engaged in manufacturing and trading of electrical and electronic products. Very much, Hong Kong kind of situation. Yes. Company operates in two segments: power equipment and floor care and appliances. You are invited to read more about it. It's got all sorts of products. Yes, home care, floor care, hoovers and things like that. In short, pretty bullish setup here, and it is very, very likely to continue for at least another year or two.